Hello everyone, SB Architects here. Today I want to show you how to make surface labels in Archicad. As you can see here, we have a building and we are going to apply our surface labels on this building. But of course, instead of doing that, you can go to text tool and create a text box and you can just type in your text. For instance, plaster. But luckily this is a very small building. Instead of that, just imagine you are going to create a building with more than 10 story levels and you will have to place all of your text one by one. So in this situation, it's going to be lots of work. And also, each time you copy a text, you have to go to 3D and check the text out. You'll have to look to the surface, what kind of surface of that. This is going to be plaster, this is going to be rock, stone, whatever, and you will go back and type in here. It's lots of work. Let's do this with a simple method. We're just going to use label tools. Let's click this one, and before placing this, I will disable this pointer. And then I will just click my surface. But this text is something else. This is just a random text. Instead of that, we will go to settings, and from here we will choose this surface label. Let's click OK and look at what we have. It says no content defined. Now we have to fix that. Let's go back. From here, label custom settings. We will see this custom text. Now we are going to change this to wall outside face surface. And from now on, it's going to give us the surface of this walls outside. And by the way, we can add prefix or suffix. Let's click OK and see what we have. As you can see, we identified the surface of this wall, RAL 7035. Now I'm going to hit the Alt, and after that I can click each kind of element on the elevation. As you can see, this is wall, and let's say that this is beam. Let's try to use the surface label on this beam. But for this situation, we will see something else, an empty label. To fix that, we will go back and from surface to display, we will choose different settings from here because this is a different kind of element such as beam, mesh, or it can be column too. Now from here, we will select beam left side surface or right side surface. It won't make any difference for now. Now it says paint 01. Let's go to 3D window and look at what we have. We can see from here surface paint 01. And if we click this column, it says it's RAL color, RAL 7035. This was how you can use surface labels in Archicad. This was a very short tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye. And if you are serious about learning Archicad, you can go to my Patreon page. From there, I will be waiting for you. Alright, thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye.